Hello everyone, myself Shinde Viji, working as Assistant Professor at the Department of Nanoscience and Nanotechnology, KTHM College, Nashik. Today we are going to discuss TYBSc Semester 3rd, paper number 2nd, that is the course of Nanophysics. In this course, we have 4 chapters. In previous lecture, I have started the first chapters, probability and distribution function. Today's lecture we have to start the binomial distribution. In course of nanophysics is mentioned that NNT 332 nanophysics. We have first unit which start with previous lecture, the probability and distribution function. Now, in this lecture, we have to start the first topic, binomial distribution. In binomial distribution, first we have discussed with definition and expression of binomial distribution. Mean value of binomial distribution, standard deviation of binomial distribution, and last one, example or problem of binomial distribution. Now, the first one discuss with binomial distribution. Suppose we carry out a series of experiments in which each experiment has only 2 possible outcomes. Means any experiment we have carried out, to result or output, it has 2 outcomes. For example, the traditionally known experiment of tossing coins in which either head or tail appear. Let the probability of appearance of heads be represented by P and that of tails by Q, where P plus Q is equal to 1. In here, one of the example of output outcomes. That's why the one coin is tossed. That's one. Probability of these coins are 2 possible outcomes. First one, the head or either one tail. Head probability is denoted as P and tail is denoted as Q. That's one. The total probability. In previous lecture also discussed, the total probability is equal to always 1. That's one. The P plus Q is equal to 1. We list below in a tabular form the outcome of coin tossing. In column first, we give the number of coins tossed in column second. The possible outcomes, head or tails. In column third, probability of either occurrence, and in column fourth, we have entire the probability terms. This regarding the order of head or tail and considering only number. In tabular form, we have column first is the number of coin toss. Okay, means here this is the number of coin toss. Column second is possible outcomes. Column second is a possible outcomes. Column third is probability of either occurrence. Probability or either occurrence. Okay, means these outcomes we have written the probability of occurrence, and the column 4 we have entire the probability terms disregarding, means 2 times Pp is equal to P square. Okay, 2 terms In the multiplication case, we have to return in this format. This is the fourth column. Okay. Now the first one, number of coins tossed. One coin is tossed. The outcome probabilities or possible outcomes is head or either tail. Head or tail. Okay. The probability is P or Q. That's one. The also written as P or Q. Okay. But here 2-coin toss. 2-coin toss. That's one. 4 outcomes. Okay. 4 possible outcomes. First one, head, head or tail or head or tail. That's one. The probability of these 2-coin toss, that one is head. Head means P or Q or P or Q. That's one written as P square, 2PQ, Q square. That's one written as. In these conditions or in these outcomes, that's one 2-coin toss. In here, 3-coin toss, the possible outcomes becomes 8. That's one. Head, tail, head, tail, head, tail, tail, head, tail, head, head, tail, tail, head, tail. That's one. This is the 8 outcomes. The probability of these outcomes is PPP, PPQ, PQQ, QPP, QQP, PQP, QPQ, QQQ. In these probabilities is written these. The PQ, 3P square Q, 3P Q square, Q. One can easily recognize that the terms in the last column are the terms of the algebraic expansion of P plus Q raised to 1 for n is equal to 1, P plus Q raised to 2 for n is equal to 2 and P plus Q raised to 3 for n is equal to 3 respectively. Is the distribution given in the last column of table is called binomial distribution. Means in this table, in this column is known as binomial distribution. Now discuss with definition of binomial distribution. The two outcomes P and Q are the algebraic expansion of P plus Q raised to 1 for n is equal to 1. P plus Q raised to 2 for n is equal to 2 and P plus Q raised to 3 for n is equal to 3 respectively. Therefore, the situation for n times will be symbolized by the terms of P plus Q raised to n is equal to Q raised to n plus n upon 1 factorial P Q raised to n minus 1 plus n in bracket n minus 1 upon 2 factorial means n is equal to 1 here and n is equal to 2 here. P raised to 2 Q raised to minus 2 plus dash plus P raised to n times. This distribution is called as binomial distribution. This algebraic expansion of a series or this distribution is known as polynomial. Let us consider a general case of a series of experiments in which each experiment has only two possible outcomes. First one A and A dash with the probabilities P and Q, means a series experiments and that experiment has two possible outcomes. First one A and A dash, and that outcomes the probability is P and Q. P plus Q is equal to 1. Equation number 1. Suppose in capital N trials, the outcome A results in N times and A dash results in N dash times. Then capital N is equal to written as N plus N dash. Okay, means we have considered two outcomes A and A dash. That is the probability P and Q. The total probability is P plus Q is equal to 1. That is the equation number first. Suppose these experiments we have performed by N trials, capital N trials. That the outcomes of A results in small n times and A dash results in small n dash times. Then capital N is equal to written as N plus N dash. Since N trials are statistically independent, the probability of such a result is P raised to N Q raised to N dash. Let the member of distinct ways in which the above results is obtained P Cn. This is the member of distinct ways. Cn. Consider as a Cn. That's one. This equation is written as Pn is equal to Cn P raised to N Q raised to N dash. This is the one of the constant term. Okay, or constant factor. This equation is equation number in which A results in small n times and A dash in small n dash times in capital N trials is given by Cn n is equal to capital N factorial upon small n factorial into N dash factorial is equal to N dash is also written as capital N minus small n. Okay, that capital N is equal to N plus N dash. Okay, this term or this value put up in this capital N factorial upon small n factorial in bracket capital N minus small n factorial. This is the equation number 4. The required probability is Pn, means the N dash value put up here. Okay, that one, the Pn probability of N is equal to capital N factorial upon small n factorial in bracket capital N minus small n factorial P raised to N Q raised to capital N minus small n. In this value put up in N dash. Okay, that is the equation number 5. Comparing equation 4 and 5. Comparing equation 4 and 5. Binomial expansion, given the probability Pn, the normalization condition is summation over Pn is equal to summation over small n is equal to 0 to capital N is equal to 0 to capital N factorial upon small n factorial in bracket capital N minus small n factorial P raised to small n Q raised to capital N minus small n. These are the normalization conditions. That's one. Summation is equal to summation P plus Q raised to N. This equation is simplified simplified that, that's one. This equation is written as summation p plus q raised to n. Okay. That p plus q is equal to 1 raised to n is also 1. This is the equation number 6, because p plus q is equal to 1. Is equal to 1. That's the expression or expansion of binomial distribution is over. Now, discuss with mean value of binomial distribution. The mean value of variable n is given by mean value is here denoted in this. Mean value of n is equal to summation over small n is equal to 0 to capital N npn. Is the denoted as mean value. In case of binomial distribution becomes mean value n is equal to summation over n is equal to 0 to capital n into n factorial upon n factorial in bracket capital N minus small n factorial p raised to n q raised to capital N minus small n. This is the express or put up the value of mean value of binomial distribution. In simplify that is equal to summation over n is equal to 0 to n. This n is in terms of the written here. Capital N factorial upon small n factorial in bracket capital N minus small n bracket complete factorial in another bracket p dabba upon dabba p raised to n. P raised to n bracket complete q raised to n minus n minus capital N minus small n. Okay, this is the written here, and this value p dabba upon dabba p. This is the written by the n in here. In constant terms, we have written here p dabba by dabba p in a summation over in bracket the summation over n is equal to 0 to capital n capital N factorial upon small n factorial in bracket capital N minus small n factorial p raised to n q raised to capital N minus small n bracket complete. Now, to differentiate that this equation we have to written as p upon dabba p summation over pn. This value is written by pn. This is the probability equations. Okay, probability equations that pn. In here summation over pn. Now, discuss with this solution is also or simplified that equation is also find out. Okay, that's p dabba by dabba p in bracket p plus q raised to n. Okay, but p plus q is equal to 1 we have written by using the equation number 5. Therefore, mean value n is equal to p raised to n in bracket p plus q raised to n minus 1. This is the simplified that or differentiate that in this term. Okay. No written here p plus q is equal to 1. That's this term is defined by the differential format. Okay. This equation is differentiate that is equal to p raised to n means the p plus q is equal to 1 or 1 raised to n minus 1. That one, this is the written as p raised to n is equal to mean value of n. Okay, in this denoted by equation number 7 because p plus q is equal to 1. This is the mean value of binomial distribution is over. Now, discuss with standard deviation of binomial distribution. the measure of fluctuations is the standard deviation is equal to sigma square is equal to mean value n square minus mean value n square, equation number 8. In here, the n square mean value and mean value n square. These two different terms or two different answers or find out terms. In case of binomial distribution becomes the binomial distribution or binomial probability equation is written here. N square mean value is equal to summation over n is equal to 0 to capital N. In here, n square n factorial capital N factorial upon small n factorial in bracket capital N minus small n factorial p raised to n q raised to capital N minus small n. Now, if this term is simplified that summation over n is equal to 0 to capital N factorial upon small n in bracket n minus small n is factorial. In here, n square term that is written by p dabba upon dabba p. In another bracket, that's one previous case, the mean value find out that the p dabba by dabba p in written. But the n mean value of n, that is the mean value of n square. Mean value of n square in written here dabba by dabba p in another bracket dabba by p into dabba by dabba p. Okay, p raised to n q raised to capital N minus small n. That is the written by the differentiate terms. First one p dabba by dabba p in another bracket p dabba by dabba p. In bracket summation over n is equal to 0 to capital N factorial upon small n factorial in bracket capital N minus small n factorial p raised to n q raised to capital N minus small n bracket complete. This is the written by these terms is a Pn, means probability equation of binomial distribution Pn. Okay, this equation Pn. In written here p plus q raised to n. This is the simplified that this equation values. Okay, p dabba by dabba p into p dabba by dabba p in bracket p plus q raised to capital. This also simplified that the differentiate that this equation is differentiate that two times p in bracket n t plus q raised to n minus 1 plus pn in bracket n minus 1 in bracket p plus q raised to n minus 2 bracket complete. This is the first differentiate and this is the second differentiate. In written here p n pn plus p into 2n in bracket n minus 1. Now a pn is equal to p square n plus p square n square. Okay, that's hence in here p square term, not a 2n, is the p square n in bracket n minus 1. This is to simplify that the minus 1 term, first one written pn is pn minus p square n into 1, that is the p square n plus p square n into n, means p square n square. Okay, hence the sigma square here square is equal to, or standard deviation is denoted as sigma is equal to mean value n square minus mean value n bracket square. This is the equation of standard deviation or format of standard deviation. Okay, is equal to mean value of n square. N square mean value is the npq plus p square n square minus p square n square. Written here standard deviation. That to simplify that, npq is equal to equation number 9. This value npq is the value of standard deviation. Standard deviation is value. That's one. The root mean square deviation sigma is equal to in under root npq is the equation number 10. The fractional deviation is given by the standard deviation upon mean value n is equal to under root npq upon np is equal to in under root q upon np is equation number 11. That's the in terms of in under root, that's the np into np. Okay, that or n square into p square. That one, the np get cancelled and one term is written here, the under root of q upon np. This is the fractional deviation. Okay, this relation shows that large the value of capital N, smaller in the fractional deviation, that is sharper is the peak or smaller the width of the distribution. This is the showing that the peak of deviation. Okay. For example, for problem of binomial distribution, consider a binomial distribution for a system for which p is equal to 1 by 3, q is equal to 2 by 3, and capital N is equal to 6. Determine the standard deviation and find the probability that N is in the range mean value N minus standard deviation to mean value N plus standard deviation. Answer: the given term, first one written as p is equal to 1 by 3, q is equal to 2 by 3, and the n is equal to 6. Mean value n is equal to pn. Mean value n is equal to pn is equal to 1 by 3 into c is equal to, that the n is equal to 1, differentiate by the 6 is divided by the 3, that one 2 into 1 is equal to 2. Okay, and the standard deviation sigma square is equal to npq is equal to 1 by 3 is the value of p, okay, into 6 means n, capital N, into 2 by 3 means q, that is equal to 3 in base on 3, and the 6 is divided by 2, that 3 into 2 is 6, that one 2 into 2 4 by 3, that is 1, or this is the standard deviation, and root mean square deviation is 2 by root 3, approximately 1. This is the find out by standard deviation. Therefore, the mean value minus 6 is equal to 1, and the mean value plus 6 is equal to 2. That one, this is the find out here. The standard deviation is 4 by 3, and the mean value is 2. Okay, approximately 1 means mean value 2 minus 1 is equal to 1, and the mean value n plus mean square deviation. The mean value 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. That's one, the range of 1 to 3. That's one. The value of n that lies in this range are 1, 2, 3. Probabilities for this value calculated using equation. The probability equation of binomial distribution is the Pn is equal to capital N factorial upon small n factorial in bracket capital N minus small n factorial p raised to n q raised to capital N minus small. For small n is equal to 1, the probability of first one n is equal to 1, that one in here p1 is equal to 6 factorial means capital N is equal to 6. 6 factorial upon 1 factorial means small n is considered as 1. That one small n factorial in bracket capital N minus small n means 6 minus 1 factorial into p raised to n. P is 1 by 3 raised to n means 1. Q raised to capital N minus small n. Okay. 2 upon 3 raised to 6 minus 1. This term is simplified that 6 into 5 factorial because 6 minus 1 factorial, that one 5 factorial or 1 factorial, 5 factorial, 5 factorial get cancelled into 1 by 3 p raised to n is 1, that is the 1 by 3 raised to 1, another bracket 2 by 3 is q value raised to capital N minus small n, that is the value of 6 or small n is 1 in raised to 5. Also simplify that the 5 factorial 5 get cancelled. 6 into 1 by 3, 3, 1, 6, 2. Okay. 3 divided by the 6, that's 1. The 2 into 2 by 3 raised to 5. Okay. This value also simplified that we have find the probability of n is equal to 1, that the probability 1 is equal to 2 into 0.13, 16. This is the 2 by 3 raised to 5 this value. This quantity n is equal to the P1 probability is equal to 0.263. This is the value of probability n is equal to 1. Yes. Now discuss with probability n is equal to 2. The P2 means probability 2 is equal to 6 factorial upon 2 factorial in bracket 6 minus 2 factorial in another bracket 1 by 3 square. Square means n is equal to 2. That one, the another bracket 2 by 3 raised to 6 minus 2 means capital N is 6 and small n is 2. 6 minus in here, so upward side, not upward. This is the minus sign in these two terms. Okay. 6 minus 2. Written here. This term is simplified that 6 into 5 into 4 factorial. Okay, that's one. 6 minus 2 means 4 factorial. 4 factorial, 4 factorial get cancelled and 2 factorial term in here. In another bracket 1 by 3 raised to 2 means n raised to na. That one the written here. And here 2 by 3 means q value raised to 4. 6 minus 2. That is the written here 4. And also simplify that this terms in written here 6 into 5 upon 2 in bracket 1 by 3 square in another bracket 2 by 3 raised to 4. That's one. Simplify that 15 2 is divided by 6. 3 into 5, that is a 15 into 1 by 3 square, that's value is 0.111 into 2 by 3 raised to 4 is written here 0.1975. This is the probability of n is equal to 2 is equal to 0.329. Is the value of probability n is equal to 2. And also for n is equal to 3, the probability of P3 is equal to 6 factorial means capital N factorial upon n 3 factorial means small n factorial in bracket capital N minus small n factorial in another bracket 1 by 3 is p raised to n. N means 3. N is equal to 3. 1 by 3 raised to 3 or cube in another bracket 2 by 3 raised to 6 minus 3 means capital N minus small n. Okay. This term is simplified that 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 factorial upon 3 factorial 3 into 3 factorial upon 1 by 3 cube in another bracket 2 by 3 cube. This term is also written as 6 into 5 into 4 upon 3 factorial in bracket 1 by 3 cube in another bracket 2 by 3 cube. This term also simplifies that 120 upon 3 into 2. 1 by 3 raised to 3 in another bracket 2 by 3 is q value 2 by 3 raised to 3. Okay, is written here. This is equal to 20 into 20 is 3 into divided by 14 and 2 divided by 14. 40 is equal to 20 into the 1 by 3 cube. This value 0.037 is the 1 by 3 raised to 3 value, and the 2 by 3 raised to 3 this value is 0.296. This value is written here 0.296. That one is simplified that these terms are calculated that these terms the probability of n is equal to 3 is calculated here 0.21925. Okay, 0.21925 is the probability of n is equal to 3. Therefore, the probability that small n lies in the range mean value n minus standard deviation to mean value n plus standard deviation is 0.263 plus 0.329 plus 0.219. That is the calculate here 0.811. This the range between these probabilities lies in small. In this lecture, we have to study or teach that the probability, definition of probability distribution, and expression of probability distribution. And another one point discussed with the mean value of probability distribution, standard deviation of probability distribution, and one example of or one problem of binomial distribution. In next lecture, I have discussed the Gaussian distribution. We have teach that. Thank you.